As Bishop Francis knows, I'm Francis knows.
Hami Furuk and in car can tulik.
I've only just started learning Gaelic in the last year. My mum and dad are from Donegal. My mother, Nebula, used to speak Irish Gaelic to me as a child. When I heard my mum speak Gaelic to my daughter, my memory from my childhood opened up. I knew then it was time to grow with my daughter and my mum and to truly embrace the Gaelic, Celtic language. By learning Gaelic, I can connect to my roots. I've had many opportunities to travel, and I used to live in New York City, a city where you hear many languages. I'm fascinated by the way people communicate and have spent time learning different languages over the past 20 years. Learning some sign language also opened up a whole other world to me. Shaw is Bishop Francis, and I'm BSL. Music is another form of communication, and I work in music management. Bimi sgoil-àraich. I wrote a song with my husband called Hashin Kola, We Are One. We wanted to make people aware that Gaelic is a living, breathing language. Ha Gaelic bio. Crying out loud, be Ladger, be Allen, be Kola, Hashin Kola, Hashin Kola, Hashin Kola, Hashin Kola. Hashin Kola.